Hi, business analyst and business consultant. Today we will discuss Microsoft's gaming strategy. Let's start. It started in 2000 where company decided to enter in the gaming industry. At that time global gaming industry was just $7 billion. After decades Microsoft evolved from a video game console seller to a brand of PC gaming platform, the Netflix of gaming. Microsoft has expanded into PC gaming, mobile gaming, with the subscription model called as Xbox Game Pass. In this video, we will understand how Microsoft evolve in the gaming industry. How Xbox become a giant brand in gaming industry in recent years. After testing beta version in 2019, Microsoft launched Xbox Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass becomes a gaming discovery engine for Microsoft. Microsoft's Xbox reported revenue of $15.37 billion for the 2020 financial year. CEO Satya Nadella said it was the best year ever for Xbox, with revenue up 32.8% on year-on-year basis, primarily driven by the pandemic-related gaming dividend. While Microsoft Xbox outsold by the PlayStation, their revenue growth primarily been driven by a $2.3 billion increase in software subscription revenue. Microsoft want to dominate in the gaming industry. In 2020 Microsoft acquired Bethesda for $7.5 billion in cash and in January 2022 acquire Activision Blizzard in a $68.7 billion in cash, 48% premium of their share price. It was one of the biggest acquisition ever in the gaming industry. Activision is best known for blockbuster games such as Call of Duty, World of Warcraft and Candy Crush. The gaming industry is worth $200 billion in 2023 and want to create a monopoly in the industry. The gaming industry is more dominant mobile user and to free-to-play online games. On freemium model, which account for than 55% of entire industry. Since the launch of Xbox Game Pass, game developer have seen record usage of their games on platform, and since it was added as a no extra cost perk, with time spent up 200%, and that gained million of news fan on the platform. Microsoft also hosts the show 21, was the biggest sport game on Xbox in past years. Since launch of Xbox Game Pass, Microsoft witnessed 35% growth of its user and adding million user on its platform. Microsoft is creating an ecosystem around gaming and metaverse, and there are some strategy. First, smart TV integration. Xbox is working with TV manufacturer to embed the Xbox experience directly into television, which enable user no extra cost for hardware, aside from controller to play game. Second, offering new subscription. This is a bit vague, but Microsoft says it is exploring new subscription offering for Xbox Game Pass so more player around the world can experience the most immersive and fun games across device, geographic and financial realities. Third, Xbox All Access expansion. Microsoft is working with telecommunication providers on new purchasing models like Xbox All Access, which lets consumer buy a console and Game Pass subscription for a low monthly price, rather than paying up front. Head of Microsoft Gaming Division said company is going to expand Xbox Cloud Gaming through Xbox Game Pass in Australia, Brazil, Japan and Mexico. Xbox Cloud Gaming via web browser. In the next few weeks Xbox Cloud Gaming on the browser will open to all Xbox Game Pass Ultimate members and will work with Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Apple Safari. So what we need to learn from this entire case? There are four strategy that mainly help Microsoft to become leader in gaming industry. First, well-diversification. Microsoft started selling Windows software but today diversify from Windows to Azure Cloud to MS Office, MS Team to Microsoft Edge, a search engine, and now in gaming called Microsoft Xbox. Microsoft have entered in metaverse and will have a edge, and because of dominance gaming industry and huge user base of working professional will become easy for Microsoft to be leader in metaverse. Second, strategic acquisition. Microsoft is finding a way to rule gaming market for years. In 2014, Microsoft acquired Minecraft for $2.5 billion. In 2020, they acquired ZeniMax Online for $7.5 billion. And finally, on the 18th of January 2022, Microsoft made their highest purchase by purchasing Activision for $68.7 billion. By acquiring all these companies, Minecraft, Call of Duty, Fallout 5, Doom, Skyrim, acquiring all these games, Microsoft will make them exclusive and people will leave PlayStation and shift to Xbox. All acquisition made by Microsoft are vertical integration to their platform and place themselves strategic position in the market. Third, developing ecosystem. As the head of gaming ecosystem at Microsoft, my team is focused on empowering game creators to conceive, build, launch, and manage games, using any and all of Microsoft's software and services, from Azure to Xbox, to reach any player and every device. When we created Xbox Game Pass and Project xCloud, our goal was to put the amazing titles from game creators all over the world into the hands of more players across more devices. Microsoft is launching Xbox Cloud Gaming through Xbox Game Pass. Fourth, creating monopoly after acquiring Activision. Microsoft, third largest most valuable in the gaming industry after Tencent and Sony, Microsoft has set its sights on being the biggest monopoly in the history of technology, and gaming for that.